In this video, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make with the crypto trading bot on the BingX app after just 21 days. Now, exactly 21 days ago, I invested $100 each into the sports grid trading bot and the futures grid trading bot, and I left them for 7 days. And then I made a video on how much I was able to make from the two trading bots. And then after I dropped that video where I showed you guys how much I made after 7 days, some of you said I should leave it for more days. So I left it for 21 days, and today is the 21st day. So I'll be showing you how much I've been able to make after 21 days, or let me say after 3 weeks. But before I go into that, if you don't have an account on BingX, please use the link in the description of this video to create an account on BingX. And if you want to learn how to create your own trading bot or how to set up your own trading bot on the BingX app, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now let's go straight into the video and let me show you how much I've been able to make after 21 days. Now for you to go to the crypto trading bot page, just click on where you have bot, where the arrow is pointing to right here. And then you come straight to where you have running, just click on it. And then you'll see the trading bot you have right here. So this is for futures grid. If I want to see the sports grid, I'll just click right here, just click on it. And at the bottom side, you click on sports grid. So this is the sports grid trading bot. So you can see it has been running for 21 days, 2 hours. So I'll just click on it right here. And right here is where you can see all the details about the trading bot. You see the number of trades that's taken, how much you've made, the profit you've made, or maybe the money you've lost. And also you'll be able to see the number of trades that are yet to be executed. Everything about the trading bot, you can find it on this page. So if you come right to where you have this running bracket 40, it is telling you that it has 40 trades that are yet to be executed right now. So if I scroll down, you see that these are the 40 trades that are yet to be executed. So you can see most of them are the sell orders. The buy orders are just 3, while the remaining 37 are sell orders. I'll be explaining the reason why as we go on in this video. So those are the trades that are yet to be executed. And if you come right here to where you have trade history, this is where you can find all the trades that have been executed for you. And you have 144 trades that have been executed in the last 21 days. So if I scroll down, these are the trades that have been executed so far. So those are the trades right there. And if you come right here to where you have details, this is where you can find details of the trading bot. So the price range is $90,000 to $110,000. That means that in as much as the price of BTC is between $90,000 and $110,000, this trading bot will keep taking trades for me. And the profit per grid is 0.25% to 0.35%. And the number of grids is 40. So that means for every grid, I'm making 0.25%. And we have 40 grids at a time. And then you can see the created time, that is the time I created this trading bot, which was 21 days ago. And then you see the grid open price. The grid open price is $100,991. That means that that's the price at which the trading bot took the first trade. And then you have the grid ID. So you can find all of these details right here. So let me come back to this trade history and show you how much I've been able to make as profit in the last 21 days with this sports grid trading bot. So you can see where you have this cumulative profit is showing you that I've been able to make 0.9785 USDT after 21 days. Now that is very small profit in just 3 weeks, and I'll be explaining to you why. Now if you come right here to where you have this running 40, remember I said we have 40 trades that are yet to be executed for us. And we scroll down, we see that almost 90% of all the 40 trades that are yet to be executed are sell orders. So these are the red ones right here. They are sell orders. This is telling you that the trading bot has bought BTC for me at different prices, but it is waiting to hit the price at which it is going to sell. But because Bitcoin has been going down in price recently, it has not been going up. Therefore, I cannot make profit from these trades. If you look right here, you see that the current price of BTC is $91,100. But if you look at the sell prices right here, you see that the lowest one is $92,000. And if you scroll down, you see that the highest one is $110,000. So if the price of Bitcoin goes up to $92,000, up to $110,000, all of these open orders right here will be executed, and I'll be making so much money from that. But because of this, we are currently in some losses. That is why the profit I've made in 21 days is so small. So if you look at it right here, you can see it is 0.975 USDT, which is very small. And I'm sure some of you might want to ask me that how much am I losing from all of these 40 trades that are yet to be executed? And I will show you that right now. So if you come right here to where you have this total revenue, the total amount of money that I'm currently making or losing from all of these trades that are yet to be executed plus my profit is minus 5.58 USDT. That's the amount of money I'm currently losing. So this is telling you that I'm currently in a loss because of all these trades that are yet to be executed. So like I said earlier, if the price of BTC moves up to $92,000 up to $110,000, all of these sell orders will be executed and I'll be making my money back. That is just the meaning. But for now, because the price of BTC is way below the prices at which all of these trades will be executed, that means I'm in loss. Now, the reason why I'm explaining this to you guys is that you don't judge trading bots based on your own personal experience. So some of you might say, oh, because of what has happened right now, that trading bots are not profitable. No, you can see right here, I've just made 0.9785 USDT. That's small profit. But let's say, for example, as I've entered this trading bot, let's say the price of BTC start going up to $92,000 to $110,000, I'll be in so much profit. And let's say, for example, I'm currently making the video when the price is currently high and I show you the profit I've made. Some of you just think, oh, it's simple, let me just go ahead and do it. So in summary, I'm showing you all of this so that you can know that you only make money or lose money based on the reaction or the price movement of the market. So it's not as if maybe because I have 40 trades that are yet to be executed that are putting me in loss right now. It doesn't mean that crypto trading bots are not profitable. They are profitable, you just have to be patient. So let's, for example, I leave it for maybe up to 30 days and the price of Bitcoin starts moving to $110,000. Like I said, I'll be making so much money from that. So I hope you now get what I'm trying to say. So in summary, the profit I've been able to make is $0.9785. The only time where this $5.5 loss will be affected is if you close this trading bot right now. So if I decide to close this trading bot totally right now, that is, I'm not doing again, that means I'll be taking a loss of $5.5. But if I decide to still leave it and maybe in the next 1 week, the price of Bitcoin goes up to $110,000, I'll be making so much money from this. So you just have to be patient with it. That is just the simple thing. Now, let's say, for example, you want to withdraw this profit. You just want to withdraw just this profit you've made. Just click on withdraw profit at the bottom right there. And then you can see the available profit I have is $0.4129. And the reason is because I withdrew some profit already. So you can see I already withdrew $0.5795 from my profit. So the remaining profit I have left is $0.4129. So if I want to withdraw these two, I'll just click on withdraw right here. And you can see withdrawal success. You can check it in your fund account. So once you withdraw it like that, your profit will be transferred to your fund account. And then your money will still be here. Your trading bot will still be running. And you can just go back to bed or go back to whatever you are doing and your trading bot will be making money for you. And don't forget, I just invested $100 in this. If it was $1,000, that means I'll be making about $9 or up to $10 as profit right now. And also don't forget, you are not doing anything. So you are not doing any kind of analysis. You are not sitting down in front of chat 247. You are just setting up the trading bot once and it is making passive income for you. Now, let's say, for example, you want to close this trading bot totally. That is, you are not doing it again. Maybe you've made so much profit and you are okay. Just click on close strategy right here. And then you click on confirm. So if I click on confirm, it will close it totally for me. So that is the amount I've been able to make from the sports grade trading bot after 21 days. It is just 0.9785 USDT, which is almost $1. But what of the futures grade trading bot? Let's check that. So to check that, I'll click on this back icon right here. And then I'll come right here, click on sports grid. And at the bottom right here, I'll click on futures grid. And then this is it right here. You can see this one also has been running for 21 days, 2 hours and 54 minutes. So I'll click on it. So this is where you can see the details about the futures grade trading bot also. Now, if you look at the top, you see that what we are trading is BTC USDT and we picked neutral. Now, for the futures grade trading bot, there are 3 options. You have the long position, the short position, and the neutral positions. So the long position means that you only make money when the market is going up. And the short position means you only make money when the market is going down. But for neutral, you make money when the market is going both up and down. So that's for neutral. And then for 5x right here, 5x is the leverage. Now, for this trading bot, I will advise that you don't pick anything more than 10x leverage. Even 10x is a lot, but please don't go higher than 10x leverage. The reason why I'm saying this is because this trading bot is like a passive income for you. You are setting it up and you are not checking it every day. So because you're not checking it every day, just pick a very small leverage so that even if you are losing money, you are not losing a lot of money. Please, if it's something that maybe you are checking every minute, then you can pick high leverage and make sure you are checking it every minute or every day. But since it's something that you just want to set and it will be making money for you, you want to do it as passive income, don't pick high leverage. This 5x leverage is okay. Now, if you come down right here, you see you have running trades of 40. That means you have 40 running trades right here. That is 40 trades that are yet to be executed. And if I scroll down, you see that these are the trades right here. So you can see for this one too, most of them are the sell orders right here. So you see it right here. These are the 40 trades that are yet to be executed. And if you come right here to where you have trade history, so if I click on it, this is showing you all the trades that have been executed. So these are the trades that have been executed that have made profit from them. And if you click on details, this is where you can find details of this trading bot. So you can see the price range is $85,000 to $115,000. So this means that as long as the price of Bitcoin is between $85,000 and $115,000, this trading bot will continue to take trades for me. And the profit per grade is 0.61% to 0.84%. And the number of grades is 40. So for each grid, I'm making 0.61% to 0.84%. And we have 40 grids at a time. And you can see the created time, which is the date and the time I created this trading bot. And you can see the grid open price is $101,179. So that's the price at which the trading bot took the first trade for me. So since we've seen all of these details, how much have I been able to make with this trading bot in 21 days? So if you click on trade history right here, you see this cumulative profit. The amount of money I've been able to make as profit after 21 days is 5 USDT. Now this is good profit for this. This is about 5% profit because I invested $100 in both the spot grid trading bot and futures grid trading bot. So this $5 right here is 5% profit in just 21 days, which is a lot because you are not doing anything. You just set the trading bot and it is making passive income for you. And don't forget, we still have 40 trades that are yet to be executed. So once they are executed, we will be having more profit in our wallet right here. So you can see again, I've just made 5 USDT. But don't forget that some of these running trades, these 40 running trades, some of them are in loss. So how much am I currently losing from this? Now, the amount I'm currently losing for this is about $0.88, which is very small. It's just tiny. So I don't need to bother about that. What I'm just bothered about is the profit I've made from the executed trades. So you can see from the spot grid trading bot, we made $0.97, which is almost $1. And then right here, we made 5 USDT. Now for this trading bot, let's assume you want to withdraw this profit right here. So let's say you want to withdraw it, just click on this adjust margin right here. And then you click on reduce. So once you click on reduce right there, come here to where you have this space and enter the amount you want to put. So let's, for example, I want to withdraw 5 USDT, which is the profit. I'll just put in 5 right there and I'll click on OK at the bottom side of the screen. And just like that, I've gotten my profit or maybe part of my capital in my wallet. So if you want to withdraw maybe more amount of money, you can withdraw it right there. So that's how you can withdraw some amount of money from your investment or from your profit into your wallet. So your money will be in your wallet. But let's say, for example, you want to close this trading bot totally. So let's say you are okay with the profit you have made, you want to close it totally, you are not doing again. Just click on close strategy again right here. And then you click on confirm. So if I click on confirm, it will automatically close this trading bot finally for me. So in summary, that is the amount I've been able to make after 21 days with this trading bot. So again, for the spot grid trading bot, I made $0.97. For the futures grid trading bot, I made $5. So you can see this is like good passive income for me. And I can leave this and it will be making more money for me every day. So even if it's just $1 every week or maybe $5 every week, it is still okay for me. Just make sure that if you want to make more money, you invest more money. It's just $100 I use for this. Let's assume that I invested $1,000. This will be $50 profit right here. So that is it for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And again, if you want to learn how to set up your own trading bot on BingX, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. And if you don't have an account on BingX, use the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on BingX. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.